Welcome, my stock paper chasers. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell and turn on all notifications so you can be alerted when every video comes out. If you're a regular member of the Stock Paper Chaser family, ensure you continue to invite your family and friends so we can get some more investment education as this one particular video we'll talk about today. So, one of the things that comes up a lot is people ask, when do I take profits? In other words, they're into a stock and they're up and they're profitable in it. Could be significant, could be medium, it depends on them. When do they take profits? Well, I would recommend that before you even invest in a stock market, make sure that you have a strategy set up. Make sure as part of your investment strategy that you know from a percentage standpoint or a dollar standpoint what you will take off the table when your stock allows you to have a great amount of profitability. That will help you. But then you would figure out, how do you determine how many shares to sell to reach that? So you do that by taking the current stock price divided by the quantity of shares sold, and then that will give you that particular dollar amount. That's the way you can figure that out. But also, again, here's how you take some profit off the table, some possible options. This is not all inclusive, but these are some possible options so you can get your mind, thinking about how to do that. So you can sell enough shares of that particular stock to recoup your initial investment. You can sell enough shares to recoup your initial investment plus a percentage or a dollar amount you are comfortable taking off the table. That can be 30%, 40%, 50%. Again, you're taking your initial investment plus that percentage or plus that dollar amount in profits off the table. You can also sell some of the shares to recoup your initial investments, right? And the maximum profit if you're selling at the highest possible level that stock goes. So for an example, if you're into a stock and all of a sudden it runs up 75% in one day, well, you can sell that stock completely by getting your initial investment back plus the 75% profit. Now, when that stock goes down, because eventually when the stock runs up that significantly, history will tell you it will definitely run down some. You can buy back into that stock at a later date when the stock, as they say, FOMO goes away. Fear of missing out, FOMO. So that's a way you can do it. But at the end of the day, other reasons you can sell a stock when you're profitable is you might need the capital for an emergency. You might need it for a vacation. Treat yourself. If you're investing in the stock market, you're being profitable, treat yourself. Nothing wrong with taking profits and doing something for fun, you and your family or what have you. You can also use it, maybe you have education expenses or things like that you want to use it for, or debt or anything along those lines. So that's going to be situation, and that's going to be dependent on you. You also might want to sell stock when you're profitable if you are in a diversified portfolio situation. In other words, you want to sell some stocks to diversify and buy other stocks that will be in different industries or different markets that you can use to diversify your portfolio. You're reinvesting that money into something else that can make you more money. So you can also pull money out of the stock market when you're profitable is when the market is crashing. Now, if the market's crashing significantly, you might want to pull some of those profits off the table and hold up later on and put them somewhere else into the stock market, or maybe do something different with that capital. But at the end of the day, the ultimate decision to sell a stock when you are profitable is going to depend on you and your situation. So everyone's situation is going to be unique and different. So keep that in mind. So that is just a small, quick couple of minutes of when to sell a stock when you're profitable in it. That can help you out or get you thinking rationally on how to do that. So again, as I end this video, make sure millionaire mindset is what we're trying to accomplish out here. And we're trying to accomplish something it's a long journey to get there, but we have to think rational and think right. Stock paper chasers, make sure we're out here trying to win at the end of the day. And then again, make sure you enjoy this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll catch you guys out there in the investment world, buying stocks and making money. Be good.